Let's meet Alexander, a robotics and mechatronics technician student from Suffield, Connecticut. At CT State Asnuntuck, Alexander has worked on amazing equipment in the manufacturing area, which has taught him how to repair CNC machines and program robots. Alexander, we cannot wait to hear more. Please take it away.
Thank you, Alex. Hello, everyone. Growing up, I always had a love for science. I competed in science fairs and went to an engineering mag school. So when I heard of the Robotics and Mechatronics program here at CT State, it was a no-brainer that this was the place for me. When I enrolled in the program, as exciting as it was, I wasn't sure I would enjoy robotics. Despite my apprehensions, it took me less than a week to fall in love with the program. Not only were the classes captivating and interesting, but the professors were amazing. They would come up with fun labs to engage you with the topics, instead of just reading them in a book. Being able to take what I learned in the classroom and immediately apply it to something tangible was critical for my success. My professors were always willing to take time after class to help further my understanding on any topic. Whether it's programming a robot or repairing a CNC machine, there's no better way to learn all about robotics and mechatronics. The hands-on learning you get in this program is amazing, bar none. In an environment that encourages curiosity and success, there's no better way to learn. The plethora of resources make it easy to see why students can succeed in such a rigorous program like this. Attending Asnuntuck has helped me in ways I couldn't even imagine a year ago. I'm currently working my dream job, building entire robotic automation systems from the ground up. Not only that, but I'm looking forward to transferring to a four-year university to finish my bachelor's degree. Enough about me, time to send it back to Alex.
Thank you, Alexander. Your future is bright, and we can't wait to hear more about the four-year college you transferred to. You're going to do amazing things. Thanks again for sharing your story.